June 5th, World Environment Day, a moment to reflect and act. This year's theme, Beat Plastic Pollution, because our planet is drowning in plastic and time is running out. But across Pakistan, a quiet movement is making waves. Ismaili CIVIC Pakistan, with its partners, is stepping up, cleaning cities, planting change, and saying no to single-use plastics. From awareness campaigns to sustainable alternatives, we're working together to protect what matters most. This World Environment Day, join the movement. Say no to plastic. Say yes to our planet.